Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In your last video, we covered the basics of Recon like subdomain animations, gathering links, and spotting JavaScript links. If you missed it, no worries. You can catch up by clicking the I button or checking the description in below. Today we are taking our Recon game up a notch. We are diving into some advanced techniques like Google Docking, Showdown Recon, and GitHub Recon as well as. Let's jump right in. Ever heard of Google Docking? It's like using secret codes to unlock hidden treasures online. Now, Google Docking helps us find sensitive info and vulnerabilities by crafting special search queries. It's like having a secret map of web hidden treasures. Site filter. Site filter. You put your target domains here. Target.com. If I give target.com or else Cloudflare, let's say Cloudflare. This will return a list of indexed URLs from the Cloudflare specific domains, which means Cloudflare.com. So this is the basic filter we use to Google Docking. Site is a basic filter. So if you want more Google Docs, just go to Google hacking database. Which kind of sensory info you want? Let's say Git, not Git. So here is an Git related docs. So if you want in text Git, if I use this Google Doc, see, it will give index of and a .git files as well as we got git files, git config files as well as git logs also. If you want find this vulnerabilities in specific domains, just use this site filter and give your target domain. If your target.com is vulnerable to this directory listing, it will give results. Here we can see a lot of companies is vulnerable to directory listing files. Index of means, which means it indicates directory listing files vulnerabilities in the target.com. So you can use this hacking Google database to learn more about Google Docking. You can use this kind of Google Docking to find vulnerabilities. So this is also known as Google Docking. Next up, let's talk about GitHub Recon. GitHub is not just for code; it also a good main for sensitive info like password and API keys, AWS related credentials. By manually searching through GitHub repositories, we can find these hidden treasures. It's like being a detective in the digital world. You can use these simple queries like Facebook.com or Google.com, etc. to search for a particular companies. Here you can see Meta companies. This simple queries gives search for particular companies. You can use multiple keywords, keyword strings like let's say if Facebook uses authorization bearer headers, some kind of domains use this authorization bearer headers. So we can use what what related contents you want in this double quotes. So I used authorization behavior, so it will give authentication tokens to you. But in facebook.com they don't use authorization address, I think so. So they don't get anything. So you can search specific file names like you can use file name filters, file name vim. You can use for specific file names like file name vim settings dot xml, vim settings dot xml. You can search specific languages like language Python. You can search for specific languages like PHP, Python, XML files. This was the basic of GitHub dogging, but you can also combine your queries like facebook.com and file name bim settings.xml, which will give you, let's say, facebook.com language Python. You can search for combining languages, which will give you all Python files of your particular company facebook.com, which was facebook.com. Same way you can also perform different query searches. It is not easy to find. Let's say you can use filters, I guess, also say password. You can use this kind of combined search queries. What do you like? You can modify the GitHub docs. It is not easy to find sensitive information on GitHub. You need to spend a lot of time and need to check each repositories of your particular company. So that this is a concept of GitHub docking, which reduces your effect of searching sensitive information manually. GitHub docking is not easy, as I said. It have some more advanced methods in GitHub Recon, but it takes time. I will do separate videos especially for GitHub Recon. You need to understand the application uses tokens, token trackers, and structure of the keys and secrets indicate you. Then after understanding the applications, secrets, and headers infos, you can make your own GitHub docs. Last but not least, let's explore the Shodan Recon. Shodan Recon is like the search engine. Shodan is like a search engine for internet connected devices like such as cameras, computers, routers, and more. With Shodan, let's go to shodan.com. Here's the Shodan dashboard. With Shodan, we can locate devices and even spot vulnerabilities. It's like having a X-ray visions for the internet. Here are some searches you can try. Just use the host name. What host name? Which kind of host? Now enter your target domain. This filter are special keywords that Shodan uses to let you know results based on the metadata of your service or a device. So this tag is used for finding IPs and finding internal services, which kind of devices connected to the internet, the host name of facebook.com, host name facebook.com, which gives host names of facebook.com which is connected to the internet. This gives this kind of high piece. Here is some showdown recon dogs. Showdown dogs, you can use this to find the vulnerabilities options reinforced through the showdown. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and comment below what type of vulnerabilities is your favorite, and subscribe our channel for more useful contents.